do something about it. All you could do is go right shit. Turn on your camera and let the world see who you are, Eve. Go tell your princess that she must learn to wash up and put a little dead oil and a drop of bleach in that water and clean her toto, her vajayjay, clean her buttocks as well, because that big nasty stain was from her buttocks to her vajayjay. You see, Eve and these people, they don't know to use terminologies, right? So they don't know what is buttocks. Nyash! Eve, nyash, your princess, big leakage was from her nyash, go right up to the head of her toto. Nasty. Her vajayjay. Nasty. We should not have to see